It is kind of overwhelming, but then it feels really great that I achieved this rank. Looking back to all the hard work that I did, I feel like I'm proud of myself. Thank Law Prep because of them my journey was also made much smoother.
Hello everyone, I'm Shrita Bhandari, Director of Law Prep Tutorial Nagpur. So today we have Yashasvi Bhosle with us with All India rank 257. So we congratulate you, Yashasvi, on behalf of Law Prep team.
Thank you.
And it is a great achievement. Yashasvi, if you had 24 hours again before your class, what would you not do?
I would not give a mock. I would not start any new series on Netflix. That's actually prohibited. Don't start Stranger Things season 5 just before CLAT. And if you want to give sectionals, you can give sample paper because it boosts your confidence. But other than that, I would say just meditate throughout the day and listen to songs.
So Yashasvi, what kept you grounded when you started scoring well in your mocks?
Well, even when I scored great in a few of my mocks, the one thing that kept me grounded was the fact that anything can happen on the D-Day. If in those 2 hours I don't end up performing well, the good mock scores don't make any sense. So I was nervous because of that, and it kept me grounded.
So what is the one thing that you love the most about Law Prep Tutorial Nagpur?
Well, the comforting vibes and the positive vibes that I got from LPT, and the supporting faculty and the people over here who gave me inspiration, and the environment over here was super helpful and supportive.
So after all the struggle and sleepless nights, how does it feel when you hold this rank today?
It is kind of overwhelming, but then it feels really great that I achieved this rank. Looking back to all the hard work that I did, I feel like I'm proud of myself. And I thank Law Prep because of them my journey was also made much smoother.
So what are your future plans? Like you wanted to get into litigation or law firms or corporate? What are your aspirations?
I think as of now, my aspirations could be litigation. But then throughout the 5 years that I'll go through in the NLU, my decision could change depending upon the situation. But I'll just try to have fun and learn as many things as I can in life as it goes.
So Yashasvi, what was your strength area and at the same time the section that you struggled the most, and how did you overcome it?
I think my strength area was quants because I had a good 10th class base and I just loved doing maths, so that was pretty much my strength. As per what I struggled with was definitely current affairs, but I think I overcame it, especially through CLAT Express, revising the topics every day, and just don't take a huge gap when it comes to GK, trying to relate different topics together and just quizzing yourself. Even if you're alone, you can use AI to quiz yourself. And if you have any doubts, you can go to teachers, and don't stop revising GK. Revision is the main thing that will help you through GK.
Okay, Yashasvi, so you took around 70 plus mocks at Law Prep Tutorial Nagpur. So what do you think, like analyzing the mocks, how does it help in this whole process?
I think mock analysis is the main feature about giving a mock. If you're not analyzing your mock, you won't be able to understand what mistakes you are making. And if you find a pattern of mistakes that you constantly make, you can definitely find a solution to fix those. But if you're not analyzing them and you're just blindly solving mocks, you'll never be able to find that one key, you could say, weak point of yours, and you'll never be able to strike that weak point to increase your score. So analyzing your mock, especially the weak sections, is really important.
What is your final message to the students watching us who would be in your shoes next year?
One tip would be, do not stress much about the future. The only thing you can control right now is the present. So try to utilize your time right now as much as you can, because once it's gone, there's no coming back to it. So have no stress, take fun in the journey, learn things as you go on, and don't take stress about the process.
So thank you so much, Yashasvi, for being with us, and we wish you a good luck in your future, and at the same time, best wishes from our entire team, and we are really proud of you.
Thank you, ma'am.